Okay, so example 8, it says tangent of B is equal to 0.654. And the difference between this one and the previous one, notice it says round to the nearest minute. So they want you degrees and minutes. It's going to get you a decimal answer. That's what your calculator is programmed to do. So we're going to have to convert into minutes. So first off, it does say tangent of B equals some number, 0.654 in this case. So again, I already know what tangent equals. I do not know what the angle is. So when I don't know the angle is going to be the inverse tangent of that number. Okay, so just recognition of the trig function I need to use to solve the problem. If I know the angle, I use tangent. If I do not know the angle, I use inverse tangent. All right, so then I go to my trig menu again. So I go to trig. I cursor down until I find tan -1, which is right there, hit enter. I want to enter my 0.654 in parentheses equals, and again it's going to spit out a decimal answer. So that's the correct answer as a decimal is B equals 33.184686. Shoot. 1, 1. Okay. So now I want to convert this into a degree minute form. And if you go back to your angle menu where the degrees and minutes are at, hit second. So you have your answer as a degree, a decimal degree. I'm going to hit second angle. And right on the angle, notice you got degrees, minutes, seconds. Next to number 3, there's an arrow down, and there's more stuff down below. If we cursor down until we find arrow DMS, that's a converter. So it's going to take the previous answer, which is what we already have on our calculator, it's going to convert it to degree, minute, second form. So hit enter, it should say, notice it has my, I thought I would say answer, but it has the previous answer here. You have to go over to see the rest of it. It has this arrow DMS. Hit enter, and it's going to tell you degree, minute, second. It said round to the nearest minute. So it looks like 33 degrees, 11 minutes. Now, as far as rounding minutes, remember that 60 seconds make up a minute, right? So when we see there's 4.86 seconds, that's less than 30 seconds, less than half. All right, so if it's close, if it's more than 30 seconds, now you're closer to the next minute up. All right, so again, 11 minutes exactly, but then the seconds here represent the parts of a minute. So anything less than 30 stays where you're at. Anything bigger than 30 is closer to the next minute up, so you don't want to round up that minute. So 33 degrees, 11 minutes will be the best answer for that problem. So make sure that you look in your homework tonight what type of answer they're looking for. No matter what the book tells you for the sine, cosine, tangent problems, I want 4 decimal places on those answers. For the find the angle problems like these, round how the book tells you to round. All right, if it says nearest minute, nearest tenth of a degree, round however they tell you to round for those problems.